Hi, I'm Liz Jankowski from the Royal Botanical Gardens, and today I'm going to show you how to make paint. But we're making paint from things we can find around our house, or our balcony, or our backyards. So for me, I took a walk around my backyard and I found this rock. Now the cool thing about this rock is that it's made of clay, and I can tell that by its color. It's this beautiful red, brown color. Now if you don't know what a clay-based rock looks like, that's okay. It doesn't need to be very big, it just needs to be soft. So if you take your rock, you throw it down hard on the ground, it should break. So we've got this rock, and we're going to put it between two folds of a shirt that we never intend on wearing again. Or you could also put it between folds of a newspaper or a magazine, just something that you're not going to read again, because it's going to get pretty banged up when you smash this. That's right, I did say smash. You're also going to get some safety glasses, protect your eyes, and a hammer. And once you're all set up, you are going to use this hammer to smash this rock into pieces. Rock's all protected, it's smashing time. If you've done it right, you'll get this. Look at this. This was a solid rock. Now it's just a bunch of powder, which is perfect for making paint. Okay, just get out those big pieces, pour them into my cup, and then I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of water, and I really do mean a tiny bit. If you add too much water, you will be painting a watercolor, whether you like it or not. And all that's left to do is mix up that paint, and you've got a beautiful brown. Well, what about other colors? Well, I found some things in my fridge. I found berries, mix that up in a blender with a little bit of water. I also found grass and leaves outside, mix that up in a blender. And I can use those colors to create a really nice painting. And there you have it, a masterpiece created from nature found at home. We would love to see your masterpieces. Check out the comments below on how to share that. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out other videos from RBG at home in the link below, and we'll see you next time.